Hello, I am playing, okay. I gotta concentrate on this, but I am playing Simon Says on Roblox today, and, well, yeah, technically. 2 times 3, 6. They're doing too easy. They're doing just 8 and 6. It gotta get better if they want to actually think. Oh my god. See? 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 So right now I'm just literally completing this. Oh, no. Yes! So I'm literally just completing this. And, yeah. Yay! We all won! Okay, I'm done. Now, I want to be the judge. I want to be the next Simon. I want to be the next Simon. I want to be the next Simon. Who's the next Simon? Oh. Well, oh, whatever. The theme will be the speed colors. What is that? Uh-oh. No, this. Wait, those are Microsoft colors. Okay, let's see. Go on green. Quick. Oh, actually, no, because it didn't say Simon Says. So going on green is technically fatal. Yeah, this is supreme, Simon Says. It's like super supreme. Like if you do something wrong. Like if you do something wrong, it kills you. Yeah, so if it says Simon Says, you know, go on red. Help me. Oh, wow. Simon Says go on blue. I was already on blue. That was like very fortunate. Ay. So this game is called Super Simon Says, or I typed in Super Simon Says, but it's called Simon Says. So you can either type in Super Simon Says or Simon Says. Both will work. You click the first one, the first game that pops up, and you end up right here. This is a very good game. This is a very, very good game. I really like it. King, oh my gosh, Kingdom Puppy does not look so nice. The puppy is not that adorable. Oh, come on, I'm not the child. True or false? Oh, this is gonna be hard. I'm not good at true or falses. No, I'm not gonna be the truth. Yay, everybody won because that person left. Woohoo. This is sad. Thank you for the boost. Carolina. Oh, snakes and ladders. Awesome. Snakes and ladders. What? Oh, another person left. Seriously, it's giving us free wins. That is so awesome. Okay, I'm gonna see if I get to be a judge. I'll come back. Okay? No, seriously, stay here, please. Did I mention please? So we are playing How do you... Okay, let's see. On top of me? Will you go on top of me, everybody? That is just rude. I did not like that. Okay, fine. I'm an out team. Tower on top of the Superma. That's a hard username. How many points do I have? I can get... what's decoy? What the heck is decoy? Sparkles. Get 50 points. Oh, come on. What's decoy? Decoy does nothing. Musical chairs. I love musical chairs. No. Oh, let's... No, what happened to my sparklies? This is, yeah, so while I watch them, you guys, I don't know, if you want, you could go get a snack or whatever. You know, go get a snack, whatevs. I'm just gonna watch here. So I'm just gonna watch. You go get a snack and come right back so you can keep watching my find a seat. Okay, I'm gonna, you know. Okay, bye-bye. See ya. P.S. snack. Okay, so they're still doing that thing, and I've been waiting for like, I don't know, at least 10 minutes. And they're still playing, so it's very, very unbelievable. And there's still 2 seats left. Oh, that's sad. Okay. I know who won. It was sad. Okay, good job. This Superma. This Superma. I don't know. Okay. Simon, please be a Simon. Please be a Simon. Pizza. 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 I love pizza. Hi, person. Are you going to choose something? Okay, free win. I like it. Though I really would like to try the pea thing. It looked pretty cool. Okay, I'm just gonna stand on this ball. Please be Simon, please be a Simon, please be a Simon, please make me a Simon, please make me a Simon, please make me. Oh, come on. Name that character? Uh-oh. I don't know a lot of. I only know a few of those characters. Domo. Who the heck is Domo? I'll just what they say. Yoshi? Is that Yoshi? I'm really bad at things. Though I do know SpongeBob and Sonic and who the heck's he? Waluigi? Kind of weird. Patrick! Everybody knows Patrick. Everybody knows Patrick. Everybody knows Patrick. This is what Patrick looks like. If you don't know who it is. Sonic! Sonic! This is Sonic. Kirby. Who the heck is Kirby? Oh, I think I got an idea. Since there's a giant... What? I got pushed off. Come on. Oh, well. Trollface. Who's Trollface? Oh, yeah. Makes sense. It does have a face like a troll. Link. Who the heck is Link? Oh, Link. Okay. Wait, why didn't they do SpongeBob? Okay. Let's go. I actually survived one and won like 5 games in a row, and that group that I was playing with was very, very kind. They were like, "Congrats, yay, good job." It was so kind. I loved it. Okay, so we're gonna quickly do the matching thing, and then I'm gonna have to say goodbye to you guys, and to see you later, okay? So let's see. Let's see, soccer ball, football, dodgeball, soccer ball. Okay, let's go to soccer ball. Wait, they said soccer ball. I was on top of a soccer ball. Wait, did they say don't go on the soccer ball? Ay, ay, ay. Oh my gosh. I'm so bad at this. What's this? Trampoline? No. Simon says, do this, do that. Simon must be like really bossy, and that's how Simon came up. And Simon says. Okay. Well, please like and subscribe to this please like and turn on notifications to this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you later. Goodbye.